Welcome back, everybody. Got another quick episode for you guys this week. This week we'll be making some pork and scallion dumplings. Here's a list of ingredients. We're going to be using 1 pound of pork shoulder, 1.5 teaspoons of kosher salt, 1/4 pound of bacon, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of cold water, 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing wine, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, 2 bunches of green onions, and some round dumpling wrappers. Now we'll be cutting our pork shoulder into 1-inch cubes, cutting our bacon into 1/2-inch strips, and then salting our pork, and then putting it all on a sheet pan and freezing it for about 15 minutes. After we take our pork out of the freezer, we'll put it into the food processor. Into that we'll add our green onions, sugar, soy sauce, Shaoxing wine, egg, and cold water. And we'll process it for about 20 to 30 seconds until it's well combined. To assemble our dumplings, we'll start off by putting a dumpling wrapper in the center of our palm. To that, we'll add 1 tablespoon of filling. Then we'll put a little bit of water on the edge of the wrapper, fold in half, and press to seal. After that, we'll just put a couple pleats into our dumplings and press again. Once that's done, we'll put our dumplings into our prepared bamboo steamer, and we'll steam it on high heat for about 7 to 9 minutes. And here is our finished product. Looks great. Give it a try, guys. I think you'll like this one.